Using histograms is a perfect option when you have a column of numbers and you want to understand the patterns within that data. For example, here in this file, I have a column of daily drive times where this could represent a survey where every single row represents one person and how many minutes they drive per day. If I select this column, find the histogram command in the toolbar, and go ahead and click that icon, now, boom, I have my histogram of this data where it's showing me on the x-axis the drive time in minutes, and on the y-axis is the count of how many people are within a given bin. So I can see clearly that not many people drive 0 minutes. Most people are in the 30 to 50 range, and I have some outliers here that drive more than that. The histogram command has a lot of different options, but in particular, I would like you to notice the bin menu on the front of the command, set to automatic, but I can change this to define how the bins are formed. And then I get a slider that I can use to interactively change the bin width and explore what this data looks like. In addition, it's important to understand that the histogram command is computing statistics for our data. If you expand it, you have a table that gives you some summary statistics, and you have access to all that data and the binned data by using the gear menu. Your pro tip for this video is that commands like the histogram command, you can click the gear menu and you'll see the ability to extract various data to columns or variables. Here, let's try extract histogram data as columns. And what you see are both the location and the count within that bin. The location is the center point within a given bin. And notice how if I change my bin size, this changes interactively. I can export this data, or I can use it in another visualization. I can also type in an exact bin width if I know exactly the bin width that I want for this. And that's it. This is your quick demo of the histogram command. If you want to learn more about the histogram command, go into the description of this video. There's a link to our help documentation.